Introducing the L300 Ultra Drone, where performance meets precision in a sleek, foldable design. Packed with cutting-edge technology, the L300 Ultra is built for serious aerial photography and intelligent flight. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, this drone delivers professional-grade results with ease. 4K professional dual-camera system. At the heart of the L300 Ultra is a high-resolution 4K front camera, engineered to capture stunning aerial visuals with crisp detail and vibrant color. Paired with a secondary bottom camera, you get dual-angle shooting options for enhanced FPV control, smoother landings, and creative versatility. Capture wide landscapes, top-down views, or cinematic flyovers, all in glorious 4K. Cell phone touchscreen remote controller. Control in the palm of your hand. Ditch the phone and take full command with the built-in touchscreen remote controller. Get a real-time FPV feed, live telemetry, and full drone control, all from one compact device. No setup, no apps, no distractions. Just fly. It's intuitive, immersive, and ideal for those who want a more streamlined flying experience. Satellite dish 5G Wi-Fi FPV plus GPS precision. Using 5G Wi-Fi technology, the L300 Ultra transmits your footage in real time, with ultra-low latency, even at long ranges. The GPS module unlocks intelligent features like auto return to home, pedestrian follow me mode, upward trend waypoint navigation, repeat button point of interest circling, compass smart hovering with location lock. No signal? Low battery? Don't worry. The drone automatically returns to its launch point, ensuring flight safety and peace of mind. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, smart and safe. The L300 is equipped with a full 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance system. It scans the environment in all directions, intelligently detecting and avoiding obstacles in real time. Perfect for flying in tight spaces, near trees, buildings, or crowded areas, giving you full confidence to focus on filming. Smooth power, foldable portability. Running dash brushless motors, quieter, stronger, and more durable. Battery intelligent battery, extended flight time for longer sessions. Luggage foldable design, ultra portable and easy to carry. Joystick altitude hold plus headless mode, beginner-friendly features included. Airplane auto takeoff and landing, quick launches with a single tap. It's engineered for performance, without sacrificing convenience. Quick feature recap. Camera with flash 4K front camera plus bottom camera. Video game touchscreen remote with live FPV feed. Satellite dish 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. Compass GPS positioning with auto return and follow me. Shield 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. Running dash brushless motors for stability and speed. Luggage foldable frame for portability. Battery intelligent battery with long flight time. Joystick one-key launch, hover, and landing. Milky Way supports day, night shooting. Whether you're shooting cinematic drone videos, capturing stunning aerial photography, or just enjoying the thrill of flight, the L300 Ultra is ready to go wherever your creativity takes you. Smart, powerful, portable, L300 Ultra Drone, professional performance, simplified.